Hello, everybody. It's me, Adeesha, here to talk to you about another science and anatomy topic. Today, we're going to be talking about skin. Now, you might think that series of anatomy had its time and it ended, but this time we're going into anatomy in detail. So, buckle up and get ready for a micro journey throughout the body. Now, this is the skin. As you can see, it's made up of different layers. None of them are the same. So, we're going to take a trip through all of these layers and discover all the facts and hidden things about your skin. Now, first one, hairs of head. This is just hair. Anything you know about hair? Comment down below. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Now, the hairs on your head can be used for catching air bubbles when you're cold. This is what goosebumps are made for. They're also made for scaring off predators. Now, if you are a prehistoric guy or woman, you would be chased by predators, and if evolution hadn't granted you the gift of goosebumps, you would have been mauled by them. Now, since people couldn't shave back then, they used hair to make themselves look bigger. That's why goosebumps are used. Next one, blood vessels. These might look creepy. They're just tubes that go all around your body. But they aren't. They're beneficial instead. Now, all of these tubes might seem very complicated, but don't worry. You won't get a headache just from memorizing all of this. There are only two types of blood vessels, arteries and veins. Arteries are red and veins are blue, but it isn't actually like that. Fun fact, just like the heart, veins have valves. But arteries, they don't have valves because blood obviously needs to go somewhere, but you need to control the amount of blood to the heart because the heart can only handle so much blood. Next one, erector muscle of hair. This is what gives you goosebumps. Not the cold. I mean, cold does give you goosebumps, but still, the erector muscle of hair is what pulls your hair up and causes goosebumps, of course. Next one, fat. Fat is, well, fat. It's actually extra carbohydrates. So imagine you're eating a bit of bread and then you finish it. After a couple hours, and if you take one of your skin pieces cells off or one piece of your skin, we're just going to look at this for now, you're going to find a bit of fat stocking up because of all that extra energy your body doesn't need. The pseudoreferous gland. This produces sweat. Nerve terminals. These are nerves commanding your body and telling your body what to do. They're all part of the nervous system. We're going to talk more about it in detail in another video. Sebaceous gland. This secretes sebum. What is sebum, you might be asking? Sebum is actually a complex oil formed with lots of complex chemicals to keep your skin dry and clean. Sometimes these can clog up, so make sure you take a good skincare routine. Touch body. These they look like stomata and plants, but these are actually sensors in your body that are used for touch. These can feel heat, cold, and detect pressure at objects. Epidermis, the top layer of the skin. Hair bulb, the bottom part of hair, which actually lives. Everything else from there is just dead. Lymphatic vessels. These contain lymph and a couple other white blood cells still alive.
The lymphatic vessels are an essential part of the lymphatic system, a network of tissues and organs that helps to maintain fluid balance in the body and supports immune function. The lymphatic vessels are thin-walled, transparent channels that carry a clear, colorless fluid called lymph. Lymph is formed from the interstitial fluid that surrounds the cells in the body. It contains a mixture of water, proteins, salts, and other substances that are important for maintaining the health of cells and tissues. As lymph moves through the lymphatic vessels, it is filtered by lymph nodes, which are small, bean-shaped structures located throughout the body. The lymph nodes contain immune cells that help to detect and fight infections and other harmful substances. The lymphatic vessels are also important for transporting fat from the digestive system to the bloodstream. In the small intestine, fats are absorbed into the lymphatic system and transported through lymphatic vessels called lacteals. These vessels eventually drain into larger lymphatic vessels and then into the bloodstream.
The dermis and corium. This is one of the lower layers of the skin, below the epidermis. Muscle. Well, it's muscle. And finally, bone. Bone is actually living. This is actually spongy bone. So we went through all of the parts. So tell me what number 1 is. What's this? Can you remember? Well, if you wanted to know, it was the lymphatic vessels. Next one, number 1. What's this? It's fat. No, what's this? The epidermis. What's this? The nerves. What's this? That's hair. What's this? Touch body. What's this? Sweat glands. That's also an applicable answer. What's this? Oh, that's easy. That's bone. What's this? That is blood vessels. What's this? These are lymphatic vessels. What's this? Hair bulb. What's this? The hair erector muscle. What's this? Hint, you flex with it. And here's another popular muscle name, biceps. Oh, I just gave you the answer. It's muscle. And this one? This one is the dermis. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson and you've actually learned something. This is me, Adeesha, signing out. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. And like this video, comment down below what you would like to see next on this video. Goodbye. This is me, Adeesha, your host for today, signing off.